Good morning, my friends. It's Sean Vigue with Sean Vigue Fitness. Oh, the sunglasses are on. .com. Morning yoga routine. Look at the ice behind me. Look at the snow. Let's plant the seed for an amazing day with this 10-minute routine. Great for everybody. Check in below. Let's bring it down onto our backs. Bring the knees into the chest. We're going to breathe in the nose and out the nose. Relax the shoulders, wiggle the fingers and the toes, and let's rock it side to side so we can loosen up our lower back. Pull those knees in tight to stretch the low back, get some blood flow going. Enjoy my yard from your bedroom. All right, figure 4 stretch. Right ankle on the left thigh, reach the right arm through. Left arm around, head up or down. Exhale, pull the legs in close. Use this right arm to press the right leg away. And let's sway side to side. Get some movement and mobility in your hips, glutes, and lower back. This left leg can extend too if you feel inspired. Okay, let's add a twist here. Drop to the left, cross the right leg over, and we drop. Take the arms down, open them up so palms are to the sky. You could bend the elbows. Oh, that's my mat. It's funny that should be there. And open up the chest. Take 2 breaths. In the nose, out the nose. All right, extend the arms overhead and let's go figure 4 on the other side. When you're ready, draw in. We're going to keep on flowing. Keep on moving for these 10 precious minutes. And plant the seed for an absolutely purpose-filled day. Good focus, good breath, good purpose, good service. All right, let's drop to the other side. Left leg over the right, and we twist. Open up the upper body. Keep the chest open, shoulders back so the breath can flow. 2 more breaths. Yes. Your voice changes. Bring it up, pressing up into a gate pose. Let me mirror you. Left knee down, take the right leg out. And left hand down, and let's reach. Give yourself a nice big stretch all the way down the line. Good, 1 more breath, extending. Ooh, that sun. Oh, what a beautiful morning. And let's go to the other side. We come to center, and then a version of gate pose, G-A-T-E. As you exhale, pull those abdominals in. Let's start the fire in your core, in your center. And once again, bring it up and over. If you like, you could take this leg up. You can even bend it and pull it back a little bit so we stretch and open up the abdominals. Ooh. A little scorpion tail back there. 1 more breath. And floating to the other side. Give me 2 more deep breaths. In the nose, out the nose. Think of every breath inflating the whole center of your body. Stretching out the ribs. Okay, turning into child's pose. Knees wide. Let's press it back. And let's walk it side to side. Take your inside arm and really reach. There's the jackpot right there. So we come across and extend, opening up the back, the lat muscles, and decompressing the spine. How does that feel? You feeling that? You feel some adjustments perhaps in the back, in the spine? 1 more time each side. Right on the pavement. Actually, that's asphalt. There we go. Ooh. Back to child's pose. Now, walk the hands up. Take the shoulders back and down. Let's lace the fingers. Open up the chest. 3 breaths, called a mudra stretch. Palms together if you like. Always adding some back bends. Opening up the chest, the abdominals. All right. Low lunge, left foot forward. Right knee down, slide it back. Let's do a little slow back and forth. One of my favorite little sequences here. We have runner's lunge back, and then inhale forward into a low lunge. The whole bottom half of the body getting some movement here, mobility. Tell you what, let's do one more each one. So forward, there's the lunge, and then back, runner's lunge. Now step back to child's pose again, or you can do downward facing dog. Give you that option. Find which one works. Down dog, sink down into the heels, walking the legs. You can always pause this video or watch it first, but it's yours. It's in your domain, it's in your pocket, it's in your inbox, so you can cherish it. You can do it anytime you want and practice. Oh, wow. All right, right foot forward. And again, we go back and forth at your own speed. Inhale. Exhale. I just taught this flow right here this morning to my live class. When I announced it, I thought I heard them say, "Ooh," which means they were excited. Inhale through the nose, really deep breaths. Pull the cap down. Exhale, stretch this leg, runner's lunge, getting the hamstrings. Inhale. Exhale. Let's do it one more time, each one. Drop the shoulders. Be aware of your posture in every position. Okay, again, down dog or child's pose or wide-legged down dog. You can take the feet wider. Let's really activate our spine. Relax. Think of moving the chest down and towards the space between your legs. If you like, you can do a little sway side to side, energizing the spine. Good. Always build in some options within the flow. One more time, each side. My shoulders are relaxed. Sink the heels down. Now, I'm going to turn here so we can get the full effect. Keep the feet wide. Walk the hands back. We have a wide-legged forward fold. I'll mirror you. Take your left hand down. Inhale, right arm lifts up in the twist. With the inhale, lift. So we're pressing into the left arm. With the exhale, open further. 3 more breaths. I think I just spit over there. Uh-oh, okay. All right, let's journey to the other side. Left hand down, right arm up. 3 breaths, make it so. Getting a nice twist, some mobility and movement in the back. And then dive down, soften the knees. You could sway back and forth. Keep that spine loose. All right, tuck the chin. Let's slowly rise up, stacking the spine. And shoulders back and down, a couple shoulder rolls. Shake out the arms and legs. We'll finish a little tree pose with some movement involved. So left foot down, open the right hip, palms together. Keep it here or bring the heel above or below the knee. I'll try not to look directly into the sun or directly into the trap ray. If you want a little add-on here, add some movement. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, cactus arms. Opening the chest, some fluid movement. 2 more times. Good. Plant that left foot and focus those eyes for, I tell you, my friend, you're going to have one of the greatest days ever It's like you'll have an elixir from Harry Potter. All right, other side. When you're ready, open up. A little softness in that standing knee. And we open. There we are. Balance is earned, it is never given. The best things in life, I find, you work towards them. Stay focused, stay dedicated. Work on mastering them. Whoa. Whoa, there we are. All right, feet down, diving into forward fold. Take a breath. Shake it out. Shake out the shoulders, the legs, the pinkies, the fingers. Yes. Inhale, rising up. And there it is, my friends, beginner yoga, beginner morning yoga with Sean Vigue. That's me. Please check in below. And if you like this routine, please hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. That's fantastic. And share it on. Have a great day. God bless you. Great day. What are you doing? Hey, it's Sean again. If you like this video, I have a free gift for you. It's one of my most popular members-only videos from my vault. All you have to do is click the first link in the description below or in the pinned comments, and that will take you to a page where you enter your email address, and I will send you that free video right away. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel by pressing the subscribe button, smashing the like button, and check in below with any feedback, questions, or if you have any specific workout requests for me, put those in the comment section below. That is the best place to reach me.